Ever wondered how Netflix streams your favorite shows to millions of people worldwide without buffering or crashing? The answer is its cloud-native architecture. In today's video, we'll explore how Netflix and other tech giants achieve resilience, and how you can use these strategies to build unstoppable digital systems. What is cloud-native architecture? Cloud-native architecture is an approach to building and running applications optimized for cloud environments. Microservices-based. Apps are split into independent services. Containerized. Docker ensures consistent environments. Orchestrated with Kubernetes. Automates scaling and deployment. DevOps-driven. Continuous delivery for rapid innovation. Observable and resilient. Built-in monitoring and fault tolerance. Why Netflix bet on cloud native? In 2008, Netflix faced a major outage due to database corruption. They realized traditional data centers couldn't keep pace with their growth. By migrating to AWS and adopting cloud-native principles, Netflix gained scalability to handle global surges, reliability with multi-region deployments, speed of innovation through independent microservices. Netflix's core strategies: microservices at scale. Hundreds of microservices handle everything from user profiles to recommendations, isolating failures and enabling rapid updates. Chaos engineering. Netflix created Chaos Monkey, which randomly shuts down services to test resilience. Tools like Gremlin make this possible even for smaller companies. Global CDN, Open Connect. To minimize latency, Netflix caches content closer to users via Open Connect. Observability. Monitoring tools like Atlas ensure every microservice is visible. For your projects, open-source tools like Prometheus and Grafana can help. Advantages of cloud native. Key benefits include scalability, elastic resources for demand spikes, resilience, no single points of failure, speed, rapid feature rollout via CI and CD, cost efficiency, pay only for what you use. Innovation. Modular design fosters experimentation. Challenges and solutions. Complexity. Solve with Kubernetes or managed services. Cultural shift to DevOps. Train and empower cross-functional teams. Cost management. Use FinOps or cloud billing dashboards. Security. Apply zero-trust principles and service meshes like Istio. Actionable tips for you. Automate deployments and testing. Use managed services for faster setup. Design for failure. Plan for outages before they happen. Start small. Containerize one part of your app. Monitor costs and performance continuously. Emerging trends. Service meshes for secure communication. Serverless computing to reduce overhead. Edge computing for ultra-low latency. AIOps to predict and prevent failures. Netflix's resilience proves cloud native isn't just a trend. It's the future of scalable, reliable digital experiences. Start small, experiment, and design for failure. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and share it with anyone curious about the future of cloud computing.